from me, Prakriti Neupani, and today I am presented here with one of the most useful topic, that is National and International Organization for the Conservation of Environment. National and international organizations play an important role for the conservation of environment at different levels. There are many national and international organizations for the conservation of environment. Let's discuss about some of them. National Trust for Nature Conservation, NTNC. It is an autonomous non-profit organization. It runs by legislative law of Nepal. It was previously known as King Mahendra Trust for Nature Conservation. It was established as a sister organization of World Nature Conservation in 2039 BS. This organization has been supporting the programs related to nature conservation, research and environment education. Main objectives of NTNC: to stop environmental degradation or adverse environmental consequences by managing and conserving nature and natural heritage in national as well as international level, to ensure the balance between human needs and natural resources. The projects or programs of NTNC includes Annapurna Conservation Area Project, Gaurisankar Conservation Area Project, Manaslu Conservation Area Project, Biodiversity Conservation Program, Suklafan Conservation Program, Porsa Conservation Program and Central Zoo. Next one is the World Conservation Union, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. IUCN is a non-governmental organization established in 1948. Recently, it has been named as IUCN, the World Conservation Union. It is called only IUCN in short. It is the world's largest and oldest global environment network. Its head office is situated in the city of Gland in Switzerland. It is an independent agency formed by the nation's governmental agencies and non-governmental organizations like the scientists and environment conservationists. It has got 913 members out of 138 countries since the month of August 2054 BS. Nepal has got its membership in 1973. IUCN's vision is a just world that values and conserves the nature. Main objectives of IUCN: to protect the natural solidarity of nature and its diversities, to ensure the foundation of ecological sustainability and rationality while consuming them, to inspire, encourage and cooperate with different countries, societies and organizations to achieve its fixed target. Major programs of IUCN: it helps the governmental and non-governmental organizations to develop packages, source books and other materials. It takes initiation in conserving the biodiversity, natural heritage, cultural heritage and other resources. It leads local agencies to develop environmental code of conduct according to the requirement of national and international laws. It keeps interest in the formulation of national conservation policy to emphasize environmental conservation, promotion and sustainable development in about 40 countries including Nepal. As a successful implementation and forceful achievement of National Conservation Policy Project, IUCN was formulated in Nepal on February 1995 as a national office. IUCN has been supporting various functions related to environmental conservation and promotion in Nepal. Some of them are formation and implementation of curriculum, textbook and teaching material for school and campus level, preparation and implementation of source book and environment for its use in various training centers in the government of Nepal, formulation of like these environmental plans on local basis and to implement it through people's participation, conservation of various kinds of wild animals, birds and vegetation by proper management of national park, conservation areas and wetland areas. Next one is Worldwide Fund for Nature, WWF. WWF is an international non-governmental organization for the conservation of nature. It was established in 1961 and was called World Wildlife Fund during its establishment. But since 1986, it has been called Worldwide Fund for Nature. Its head office is in Switzerland. This organization is the world's largest independent conservation organization. Main objectives of WWF: to protect and conserve the gene pool, the races of the organisms and the diversity of geospatial system, to ensure the sustainable utilization and development of renewable natural resources for present as well as future generation, to organize various programs to reduce consumption of natural resources and energy producing toxic waste products and polluting the environment. Major programs of WWF. WWF has already conducted more than 5,000 conservation projects related to nature conservation in about 130 countries. This fund has helped in the conservation of many rare wild animals and vegetation of the world and protecting them from getting disappeared. The hill gorillas of Rwanda, the care of water resources of Nepal and the checking of the illegal trading of endangered plants and animals are the remarkable work of WWF. This fund has helped in the publicity of environment education and supported educational programs for the environmental awareness and total leadership. Next one is United Nations Environment Program, UNEP. The UNA had organized a conference related to men and environment in Stockholm of Sweden in June 1972. This conference strengthened the concept that the man has right of surviving in a healthy environment and it should be preserved for future generations. June 5th, which was the first day of the conference, is celebrated as World Environment Day every year. At the end of 1972, the General Assembly of the UNO established United Nations Environment Programme in Nairobi of Kenya as its headquarters. The regional office is situated at Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand for Asia. 58 countries from 5 continents are represented in the Supreme Council. The activities of UNEP cover a wide range of issues regarding the atmosphere, marine terrestrial ecosystem, environmental governance and green economy. It has played a significant role in developing the International Environmental Convention, promoting environmental science and information, and illustrating the way. It is also working on the development and implementation of policies with governments, regional institutions in combination with non-governmental organizations. Next one is ICIMOD, International Center for Integrated Mountain Development. ICIMOD is an international non-governmental organization established in 1983 AD with the aid of UNESCO. China, India, Myanmar, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Nepal are the members of this center. Its head office is situated in Khumaljar, Lalitpur, Nepal. Its vision is men, women and children of Hindu caste region enjoy improved well-being in healthy mountain environment. Main objectives of ICIMOD: to exchange knowledge of policies, programs and projects for the integrated development of hilly region and practical experience among nations. To include technology and process of current knowledge, practical training program and institutional development for the integrated development of hilly region. To strengthen the international exchange of specialists for the development and conservation of hilly region. Like this, to increase the research capacity to fight with major problems related to hilly conditions and development. Now, major programs of ICIMOD: study and research of district level energy project and management of mountainous watershed area and employment opportunities in hilly region. It also works for hilly agriculture and genealogy, like this the soil erosion in Hindu Kush region, like this horticulture, bee farming and hill disaster. Research of proper structure of development with economic and environmental point of view for Nepal. Put the proposal related to hilly condition of the 10% of the world's land and problem of 12 crore people. ICIMOD has already completed various programs of environmental conservation by organizing a conference in 1985 in the collaboration with NTNC along with the World Conservation Council. Thank you.